What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the vlog. We're on a new project. Usually we're working with a completely blank slate and we're just building fresh, but here we're renovating this bad boy. Check it out. You can see here we're working with a pretty small backyard, which can have a lot of challenges, but also a lot of opportunity here. And what we're gonna do is open this whole thing up. We're gonna open up that screen porch, have it flow out onto the patio, and then enlarge that landing off of the house so it flows all together. And you can see here, we already have a roof structure, which is a very expensive part of a project. So we're gonna keep the roof, but we're gonna open it up. Now without the walls, it flows right onto the patio. Before it was just collecting dust, but now it's gonna be a nice covered eating area. We also have a privacy wall, a spot for a fire pit, and you can see some hanging chairs and a rock climbing wall for the little kiddos. Let's get into it.
Demo day!
Demo day. Demo day. Look what we got here. We got a sign of some termites. Termite have been a problem, but good thing we're demoing this. We're gonna get it taken care of. Catherine, did you say something while I wasn't here? There it is.
There we go.
Yeah, what do we got going on here?
We got demo day.
And what are we finding here?
A lot of problems. Not a lot of problems. Some problems.
Some hungry termites.
They're hungry.
Absolutely flying. All right.
How's demo going?
Good.
All right. So over here, we're getting ready to set all of our fence posts. We have a 6-foot privacy fence. We just have to set up our string line first, make sure that we're coming same distance off of the house because we're basically right on the property line. We have that set. Now we can mark out our holes and then we'll dig them, and hopefully tomorrow we'll be setting posts and getting this fence up. This is really not good. Shouldn't push my luck too much ripping this out, but this here, this is supporting the roof.
It's gone.
And there's nothing left. That's no good. This is termite excrement that I got in my hands now. That's gross.
I'm sorry.
All right, well, so what we have to do is replace these beams, obviously. We didn't realize they were in this rough a shape, but good thing we did because we can fix it. So wait, tell us what we're gonna do here.
So we're gonna build a temporary wall first. So I have a bottom plate and a top plate. I'll go around and measure studs, cut them underneath each rafter. Once that's all built, now that is supporting the roof, and I can cut this beam out. And once I cut this beam out, we can put the new one in, take this wall out, and everything's good to go.
And what are we gonna do? We're gonna put in a nice hem first so that the termites come back and enjoy their spot?
We're going to use pressure treated on this one. It just makes sense too.
We got a whole heap of ProWood over there.
Yeah. We
weren't anticipating this, but I ordered a couple extra of some things, so I think we'll still have enough and we can replace these, and termites won't be coming back.
Good as new.
Not here.
No, we're out of here. Scram, termites.
Yep. Go somewhere else. Not up in here.
Not up in here.
A little bit of a different speed here because, you know, we're doing reno work. We usually are just building fresh, so new challenges, just new solutions we got to find.
There's no such thing as a problem, just solutions you haven't found yet.
The more you know. What's up, Catherine?
Not much. What's up?
No offense. We're building a fence. We've got ProWood going up here. We're using dimensional lumber, pressure treated, all ground contact, so it's got a lot more meat to it and it's not gonna rot as fast as 1x material. It's also gonna be a lot stronger because over in this section, we're doing a small rock climbing wall for the kiddos, so it's gonna be pretty sweet. Let me show you what I got going on and how we're building this thing. On each section, we have 4 pieces of 2x8, 5 pieces of 2x6, 4 pieces of 2x4, and that gets us right at 6 feet. So we're just going section by section. I measured the elevation on this whole side of the yard, and it's only off by about 1 inch. So we can just go kind of straight to the ground, and we can have it level all the way across. To fasten all these pieces to the post, what we decided to do was use a 4x6 so that we can do a piece of 1.5 inch material here, screw this to the post, then we can screw our slats into that, and then we'll have another trim piece on top so it looks nice and clean, and most of the nails are going to be completely hidden. What are you doing, taking this wall out?
Yeah, right, we have to.
The beam's good?
Beam's done, I think. But yeah, beams are done.
So what, you're just gonna take these out and hopefully this doesn't fall?
Yeah, no better time than now, my friend.
Woo-wee!
Yeah.
I'm gonna stand under it because if it falls, I can't deal with the repercussions.
Right. And I'll hold it if it falls.
No, just let it crush.
1.
Oh, geez. Moment of truth.
You guys staying under now?
Hold this. Oh. Well, thank you. Thank you.
We're good.
Look at that.
New beam. Good to go. Good as new.
Better than new.
Take it to the horses. They can give it to me.
Yeah. There you go. We actually already started taking some walls out, and yeah, you can see how easy this is.
I think easy's being used a little lightly there. It's a phase project. You got to do it in phases, and it takes some technique. It's not a aggressive demo. You got to do kind of a nice demo. And there's a lot of variables to take into account, but the term easy, sure, but it's definitely hire a professional.
Hire a professional if you're replacing some beams because they're supporting the roof over top, and if you take out the beams and you didn't support it properly, the roof will fall on your head.
And you'll probably die.
So don't do that. But anyway, you saw how straightforward the process is. You build those temporary walls, you can remove that beam, put a new beam in there. You know, you're gonna have to make some adjustments. You're gonna have to be really delicate, cutting all the nails out so you don't mess up the rafters. And then take that wall out, you got your new beam in there, good to go, good as new, better than new, for the next 100 years.
Onwards and upwards.
You got it kind of straight on. So, now that we got most of this fence up, you can see we have 2 more 6x6s right here. We're creating a little arch. Some hanging chairs gonna go on right here. 2 hanging kind of basket egg chairs, really cool for the adults to face the patio and the bar. And then over here, our second arch, that's gonna be some kiddo swings, and then rock climbing wall over in the back. But we're just setting this up. We cut this to 88 inches from the bottom of the fence. Now, transferring that line over to level it, and then we'll have a 6x6 connecting these 2 posts, and it's gonna be a really nice little archway. Hang our chairs, hang our swings. Woo! Well, that's it for this vlog. You're gonna have to wait for the next one to see us get to the next stage here. It's the middle of the winter, so we're fighting the weather. It's gonna be a tough one, but I think we'll make it through. Make sure you hit subscribe, and until next time, this is Premier Outdoor Living.